TSSI stock is one of the little known data center configurators that is starting to get a lot of momentum over the last few months. We've seen them in this very consistent uptrending pattern from right around here, around $7 a share, even as low as 5, to recently trending up into $16 a share and selling back down into about $14 a share. What we've seen with this company is that they recently bottomed out this morning. I was playing this double bottom this morning at market open. In fact, I bought right here after the dip. And then it's funny, I actually sold early and then it continued up that 5%. So it was a short-term trade that I wasn't able to capitalize on. However, I do hold this company long-term and I've been covering it for the last 7 months. And in that period of time, it's gone up over 200% since then. And so part of the reason why we continue to cover it is number one, the market of data centers. The data center market is one of the fastest growing markets in the world. It's seeing heavy integration from semiconductors, from AI. There's even some robotics. Most softwares run on data centers, and top companies like Apple and Google and Tesla and some of the Microsoft plays are heavily influenced by this data center market. Energy is a big factor, even an oil and gas factor for the data center market because of the tremendous amount of energy used. In that moment of golden age that we've seen over the last 6 months, where the whole world has changed towards more AI, one of the big shifts was that there was more computational power that was needed. And so all these new data centers started springing up. You had a lot of companies converting from Bitcoin, and you had the values for the market of data centers massively surge. So data center market, one of the top markets for NVIDIA and for AMD, is seeing a growth rate right now of around 11% per year. I think that's even undervalued, with anticipations of around $7 trillion in infrastructure into 2030. So $7 trillion industry growing extremely fast. Currently, they have labor shortages, so not enough people working, and they have supply chain pressure where they aren't able to build these data centers fast enough. North America has mostly the most amount of data centers, and that's where TSSI here operates out of. So I'm going to pull this up. This is going to be the full breakdown of TSSI from the financial perspective real quick and from the technicals along with the charts. So TSSI here currently has had some projections up into this $15 to $17 range, which is excellent because we were just covering them not long ago, and they were at $5, $7 a share. Grok is currently projecting that in the next 6 months, this stock is going to reach over $20 a share with a 50% increase. But why is that? Well, the technicals are one thing, but if you look at the balance sheet and the income statements, they have been massively increasing their revenue here, surging by over 150 million in 2024, and then we're on track to do over 300 million in 2025. And then in the last quarter, they also saw growth here of about 60 plus million for the quarter, and they are having an annual net income that is positive, so they're not operating at a loss. They're actually seeing profits. And not only that, they are valued at just $419 million in market cap, so they're very, very small. And their current contracts, at least seems the pipeline that they have, seems to be pretty big. So when you look at the news and some of the company news, they recently, TSSI appoints chief strategy officer and a new CTO to accelerate their growth in AI. That was just announced today. But from a press release standpoint, what they've seen, they recently did announce earnings back in March. And as you could tell from the financials, they really increased their earnings as they've been just ramping up, seeing big growth there. So with a market cap of just 419 million, but they're doing almost 300 million a year with positive net income and equity of about 63 million, it would be likely that they are still trading undervalued and that there could be premiums on the stock as high as 750 million to, I would imagine it's possible they could be worth around $1 billion to 1.5 if the AI growth continues. So that brings us to the technical. So fundamentals, you see that the charts, they look, or the income statements, they look good. See that increase annually. All that looks good. Projections look quite bullish. But when we get into the charts, this is what we're looking at this morning. Again, this consistent uptrend that they've been having over the last few months. We've seen this trend continue, and they bounced this morning, looking to target back up into this level of around $17 a share in the near term. So that would be about a 15% increase in continuation. And then the longer term timeframes of what most long-term investors are looking for is this overall trend. So this trend would actually anticipate that they're going to continue up into this $25 to $28 range that we saw back in August of 2025. So if that's the case, you're looking at about a 25 to 50% increase here on TSSI if they continue their trends. But again, a lot of volatility, extreme volatility in the AI markets right now. So the swings are big, but the trend has been very consistent so far. If you would like to see how we trade TSSI and learn more about the top data center stocks and quantum stocks, you can always tune in to our daily live trading sessions that we hold every day, Monday through Friday, in the second link in the description. If you want to get your hands on the best AI tools in the world, and I've been using this even when I was traveling, I went, into Fort Lauderdale and I was in New York, and we actually even have this thing really optimized and getting super good for mobile, which we're rolling out very soon. You can see this is how the mobile looks. It's quite easy to use and very user friendly to select the best AI models or all the AI models at once. And you can actually, when you use all the AI models at once, you can actually see what every single AI model is projecting on mobile, or if you're going on desktop, you can do that as well. See where all the AI models project, and these are the top most latest models that are being used. We just added Meta recently. And the latest Claude, the latest OpenAI, you're not paying thousands of dollars per month like you would if you went direct to these platforms. And you're getting data sources that are being considered and paired with these models that these models otherwise don't have access to. So real-time financial data sources. If you want to learn more about that, you can find some more information on this in the first link in the description below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing. Let me know your thoughts down below on TSSI, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.